as much as AI makes things very, very easy for us as software developers, I feel like it also makes some of things harder for us. Let's say for a beginner who is learning web development, he goes from front end and he's learning and goes to back end. Now, as a beginner, for you to even to make money from what you're doing, it's no longer about just learning to how like just being like you need to get to a certain level for you to be able to make your first money from web development. You get reason being that most of the times as a beginner, what is going to give you your first money in programming and in software development is going to be maybe a senior developer giving you asking you to come help him do with one of the jobs. Helping someone out. That's what's going to give you your first money. Helping someone out. Someone which maybe the main person that's building the project, you just come to you come and just help the person build a small module in the system. You get that's what's going to give you your first money. But now with AI being on our side now, we don't actually need any junior developer to do anything for us again. You get because all the code, all we just do is we guide AI, we guide Plot AI on the code is generating and review the codes and make sure that it's generating it with the right architecture, it's building with the right architecture, doing everything the proper way, using the right approach. That's what majorly what we do now. You just guide your AI, guide your Plot code to generate the code properly, right? Review the codes. So, but now you can't even guide it if you don't understand how AI codes, if you don't understand how the architecture of what you're trying to build, you can't even guide it, and that's just the honest truth. As much as you're learning, right, you have to start learning very, very fast. You don't need to be expert, you don't need to know everything, understand the concepts, right? You don't need to carry syntax for head. Just understand the concept of what you're doing, understand how systems are built. Because at the end of the day, the world is driving towards generating codes. You can't spend 3 days building a feature while you can build that feature in a single day while you're using AI. Because it's very, very fast, and once you guide it properly, give it the right context, guide it to the right architecture to use and the right system flow to use, it's going to deliver for you. Right? You're not going to be you're never code better than AI. AI knows the best way to write the codes for you, right? So, but as you're learning, you need to learn very fast and get to the level that you understand how systems are designed, how systems are built, how the approach is to follow in every single scenario. That way, you can be able to even start making the money. It's no longer about you building designs again from Figma, converting it to a real project. AI does that. Just give AI the Figma files. It can give you perfect designs. You just have to do small so you can guide it properly. You get so. You need to just get very, very good and be fast in your learning and get to the level that you understand how systems are built. So you can start generating your own codes. So even if I'm going to give you a job, even if your senior developer is going to give you a job to do a small part of a project, you can be able to generate the code properly, other than you writing the code by yourself manually. Because he's never going to advise you to do that, right? I'm not saying I'm a senior developer, mind you, I'm not a senior developer yet, but I'm getting there. I'm not a junior, but I'm not a senior. And in the middle, we're very, very close to being a senior, and that's just it. So I feel like just sharing this today. So see you on the next one. Salam.